Blogging has the potential to generate life-changing income if approached strategically. Earning $25,000 in 1 month is possible with the right techniques. Step 1. Identifying a profitable niche. Choose a niche in demand, monetizable, and aligned with your passion. For me, the niche was online business strategies, targeting entrepreneurs and side hustlers. Step 2. Building a strong blog framework. Invest in reliable hosting, a premium theme, and essential plugins. I used SiteGround for fast hosting and RankMath for SEO to enhance my blog's performance. Step 3. Crafting high-value content. Create comprehensive, evergreen articles that provide immense value to your audience. Examples include 10 best tools to start an online business and how to create passive income streams using a blog. Step 4. Driving massive traffic. Grow your audience through SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and collaborations. Research keywords. Leverage Pinterest and Facebook. Build an email list and partner with influencers for growth. Step 5. Monetizing my blog. Diversify income streams through affiliate marketing, digital products, ad revenue, and sponsored posts. Promote high-ticket affiliate products and launch digital products like mini courses to increase income. Step 6. Scaling up with analytics and optimization. Monitor performance metrics using Google Analytics. Identify top posts, improve conversion rates, and reinvest earnings into ads and outsourcing. Final thoughts. Making $25,000 in 1 month is achievable with a clear strategy and consistent effort. Start your journey today. Your $25,000 month is waiting.